Hello everyone, Craven here. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be unboxing this package that I received in the mail, and we are going to be adding something new to the stack. So about a week ago, or just over, I put a poll out and said I am going to be starting a side stack, and I was asking for some ideas. And one of the ideas I already had thought about since I started was 925 silver. And basically, I've made my first purchase. So let's open this up and see what we got. We picked up 3 silver half crowns, Pre-1920, so these are 925 silver. And I got them near to spot price, about £13 each from eBay. Let's open these up and have a look at them individually closer up. So the thing to mention here is I literally paid £13 for each of these. So in terms of the condition of these half crowns, I can't really expect much. At the end of the day, they're over 100 years old. So it's really just for that silver value, the silver content within this coin, that I purchased this. So we have a 1914 silver half crown. King George V there. Very nice. You can see obviously this is age, but in all fairness, I've seen worse. So yeah, we're off to a good start, I would say. Let's have a look at this one. That's really nice. Like I say, it's my first time personally owning any of these, and yeah, it's really nice to be holding one and have it as part of my side stack. This one is a 1915. So we're sort of getting a bit of a date wrong going on here, guys. Really nice. Let's put him there. And last but not least, the third one. Yeah, very similar, just like the other ones. Same sort of condition. This one actually, you can see there's still lots of detail on the back there with the shield. Really nice. And this one is a 1916. So we do have a 1914, a 1915, and a 1916 silver half crown date run. I plan to continue collecting these. You know, these will go into a tub that I'm just waiting to arrive in the post. Really nice. What I'm going to do with these is keep collecting them. They're really liquid, so I think while silver's so affordable at the moment, it's great to stock a few of these away, build up a nice enjoyable side stack, as they're definitely fun to collect. And in the future, if I want to liquidate some of my silver, I can sell some of these if I wish to. These will go into a tube and we will keep growing. So yeah, that's all I have to share, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you to everyone here that sent me all of this stuff. I'm still looking for somewhere to put all of this, so you might see my backdrop move around a little bit, but for the time being we're doing okay. And yeah, on that note, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.